Hello, beautiful souls! Welcome to this journey of self-discovery and inner peace. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support helps us bring more content to you. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Hatha Yoga, a practice that harmonizes the body, mind, and spirit. Hatha Yoga is a gentle and accessible practice. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned practitioners alike. This ancient practice originated in India centuries ago. Rooted in the rich traditions of Indian culture, Hatha Yoga has been passed down through generations. The word Hatha means sun and moon in Sanskrit. This symbolizes the balance of opposing forces within us, such as strength and flexibility. By practicing Hatha Yoga, we strive to create harmony and equilibrium in our lives, both on and off the mat. Hatha Yoga emphasizes physical postures, or asanas. These postures are designed to align, strengthen, and promote flexibility in the body. It also focuses on breathwork or pranayama. Pranayama involves various breathing techniques that help to calm the mind and improve overall well-being. Together, these practices create harmony between body and mind. By integrating asanas and pranayama, we cultivate a sense of inner peace and balance. In a world that's constantly on the go, Hatha Yoga offers a sanctuary. It provides a space where we can slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with ourselves amidst the chaos of daily life. The benefits of Hatha Yoga extend far beyond the mat. This practice is like a gentle hug for your entire being. Physically, it improves flexibility, strength, and balance. It can also alleviate aches and pains. Hatha Yoga is also a powerful stress reliever. The deep breathing techniques calm the nervous system. This helps to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. With regular practice, you'll notice increased energy levels and improved sleep quality. You'll also develop a stronger mind-body connection. This allows you to move through life with more grace and ease. You might be wondering, how is Hatha Yoga different from other styles? Think of Hatha Yoga as the foundation of all yoga styles. It's the root system from which other branches grow. While styles like Vinyasa Flow emphasize movement and transitions, Hatha focuses on holding poses. This allows you to explore the nuances of each posture. Hatha is about slowing down and connecting with your breath. It's a meditative practice that allows you to cultivate inner stillness. Ready to experience the magic of Hatha Yoga? This ancient practice is known for its ability to bring balance and harmony to the body and mind. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, this sequence is designed to help you connect with your breath and find a sense of calm. Let's flow through a simple 10-minute sequence that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. We'll start with some foundational poses and gradually move into deeper stretches. Mountain pose or Tadasana. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, arms by your side. This pose is the foundation of all standing poses and helps improve posture and balance. Ground down through your feet and lengthen your spine. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Breathe deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs and expand your chest. Raised arms pose, or Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale and sweep your arms overhead, palms facing each other. This pose stretches the sides of your body and helps increase lung capacity. Reach up through your fingertips and feel a gentle stretch in your sides. Keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Hold this pose for a few breaths, feeling the energy flow through your body. Standing forward, bend or Uttanasana. Exhale and hinge at your hips, folding forward. This pose helps to calm the mind and relieve stress. Relax your head and neck, allowing your spine to lengthen. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and the release in your lower back. Stay here for a few breaths, letting go of any tension. Downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Step back into an inverted V shape, hands shoulder-width apart and feet hip-width apart. This pose strengthens the arms and legs while stretching the entire body. Press through your palms and lengthen your spine. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed, and focus on lifting your hips towards the ceiling. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch along your back and legs. Child's pose or Balasana. Kneel on your mat with toes touching. This pose is a gentle way to stretch the hips, thighs, and ankles while promoting relaxation. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Allow your body to relax and your mind to quiet. This is a restorative pose that helps to calm the nervous system. Fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Feel the gentle pressure on your forehead, which can help to relieve tension and stress. Stay here for a few breaths, enjoying the sense of peace and calm. Hold each pose for 5 to 10 breaths, focusing on your breath and the sensations in your body. As you move through this sequence, let go of any distractions and be present in the moment. This practice is not just about the physical poses, but also about connecting with your inner self and finding a sense of balance and harmony. Take this time to nurture your body and mind, and carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Section 5. Step onto the mat, transform your life. Consistency is key when it comes to experiencing the transformative benefits of Hatha Yoga. Even dedicating just 10 minutes a day can make a world of difference. Start by finding a quiet space in your home where you can practice without distractions. Roll out your mat, put on some comfortable clothing, and let's begin. Remember, yoga is not about perfection. It's about showing up for yourself and honoring your body. Some days will be easier than others, and that's perfectly okay. Section 6. A healthy body, a peaceful mind, Hatha's gift. As you continue to explore Hatha Yoga, you'll notice its profound impact on both your physical and mental well-being. Physically, you'll experience increased flexibility, strength, and balance. Mentally, you'll cultivate a sense of inner peace, clarity, and resilience. The stresses of daily life will melt away as you connect with your breath and find stillness within. Hatha Yoga is a journey of self-discovery. It's about learning to listen to your body, quiet your mind, and connect with your inner wisdom. Section 7. Your yoga journey begins now. Congratulations on taking the first step on your Hatha Yoga journey. This is a moment to celebrate as you've chosen to embark on a path that will bring you closer to your true self. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. This step, though it may seem small, is the foundation of a transformative experience. Be patient with yourself, honor your body's limits, and most importantly, have fun. Yoga is not just about the physical postures, it's about connecting with your inner self and finding joy in the process. The beauty of yoga is that it's a personal practice. Each pose, each breath is a step towards self-discovery and inner peace. Section 8. Let's connect, share your yoga journey. I'm so excited for you to embark on your Hatha Yoga adventure. Remember, we're in this together. If you enjoyed this 10-minute practice, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more yoga flows, tips, and inspiration. Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how Hatha Yoga is transforming your life. Namaste and see you on the mat.